Sabina used a pink cardboard size 10 for 30.4 for 20 centimeters, fold in the middle on the height, in this way. Then she made a second fold to create a little spine, centimeters 1.2. Second pink cardboard, size 10 for 29.8 for 20 centimeters. She made the same fold on the height and she created another little spine, 0.6 centimeters. We also need 6 cards with this nice floral texture, cut from the Italian luxury paper pad. And other 6 cards with a different texture, of equal size of the previous one. We need a transparent, rectangular vellum paper sheet. We have to fold the sheet, making this little spine. We can select 9 different pictures of the specified size. We can also choose our favorite decorations, choosing among many different elements of the Italian luxury creative pad, and these 6 frames that you will find into the same pad. First of all, we must fix the vellum paper sheet spine to the first pink cardboard, as shown by Sabina. You can use a double-sided adhesive tape. Now we have to fix the second cardboard to the first one, following the example. Here we have an original base for our scrapbooking album. We can start to seriously have fun. Decorate by applying the rectangular pattern sheets to the pink cardboard pages. Cut frames to the vellum paper in this way. Free your creativity by applying your favorite paper decorations taken from the creative pad. Our project is now ready for our personal pictures. We can fix them with some glue on the pattern rectangular sheets. We can create some 3D details by overlapping other decorations with some spacers. I Love Shopping is the title chosen by Sabina for this project. We can compose it on the album cover using the letters that we can find on the alphabet paper sheet into the creative pad. Few elements are enough to make a rich and colorful album, the perfect gift for all our shopaholic friends.